Tracy Fitzgerald with the Fitzgerald Luxury Group and the Noble Agency, and welcome to the Superstition Sanctuary. This spectacular estate sits on just a little over an acre, backing to the Tonto National Forest with forever Superstition Mountain views and an abundance of saguaro cactuses. Inside the home features a little over 4,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a separate steam shower, a media room that can be easily converted into a 4th bedroom, and a wellness center with state-of-the-art gym equipment. Outside, you will find a true resort-style backyard featuring a 60-foot lap pool, jacuzzi, fire pit, outdoor kitchen, expansive covered patio space, and outdoor shower, and an incredible view deck with panoramic mountain views and city lights. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own this true sanctuary in Gold Canyon, Arizona. If you would like to schedule a private tour of this incredible home, please contact us at www.fitzgeraldluxurygroup.com.